Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are going to take a look today at system settings again. This time we are going to look at required data. So you get to choose which fields are required when creating certain information, certain contacts or leads inside of the system. So I'm going to hover over my agency and go to system settings again to get into the actual system settings and tab all the way over here, this required data. That's what I want. So when I'm creating, let's say, an opportunity, right? I can choose what fields are required. Do I want the premium? Do I want the carrier? Do I want custom fields, right? So I've got coverage one as a custom field here, customer data as well. What needs to be required. Right now we've got lead source, email, phone number, is not required, but full address is. If maybe I don't want full address to be, I just want, email, location, and lead source and phone number, I can do that as well. Now, this is in addition to the other required fields like name, obviously, but I can come in here and I can kind of customize what fields I want to be required versus what I don't want. So once I do this, it saves automatically. You can see the little completed successfully button up or modal up in the top there. And I can just keep clicking through here, right? Opportunity we looked at, quote, policy, anything that I can possibly want, any custom fields, whatever, outside of what is already required, you can choose to make required or not required just under this required data. So hope that's helpful.